Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm going to teach a step-by-step tutorial, like a friendly tutorial of how to fix a pixie haircut or pixie wig. Alright, so you're gonna need a bonding glue, sprays, 2 pack of Tara, pixie hair, and a stocking cap. So right now I'm going to put on the stocking cap I'm going to fix the stocking cap on the mannequin head. I made sure I didn't stretch it too much. If you stretch it too much, it's going to be so tight on your head and you don't want that. So right now I'm going to straighten some wefts for the beginning of the wig cap, so that the reason why I straighten it is to make the back of my neck like lay flat. The first 3 lines starting from the back, I straighten it to make it flat, or to lay flat on, like perfectly on the back.
모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이.
So I've gotten to the back of the head, and I'm going to first to the line I'm drawing at. Yeah. So basically I'm going to double weft. Like that's how I like that's how I fix mine, because I want the back head a little bit bulky, because we all have different head shapes. Some people really have flat back head, and with pixie haircuts, when you have flat back head, it's not like, it doesn't really look good. That's my opinion. So like when I'm fixing my pixie, I stock the back head so that it will look bulky. Not that bulky though, but yeah, it looks, I double weft to make it look a little bit bulky.
2, 3, go. 난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야.
So now I'm done with the second step, and I'm heading to the third step, which is the upper hair. And I'm fixing it horizontally, like just like that. And I also double weft it, and I make sure like it's really close to each other. Some people even put it on top of each weft, but I left a little space, and I'm putting on the glue so you see how close each weft was. So I'm going to go ahead and fix till I get to that little part where I'm going to finally close for the closure, for the ceiling,
But I have to pretend no one cares about me.
So finally I've gotten to the ceiling parts, and I'm going to go ahead and measure some piece of weft to the same size of the space there, and stick it on. sticking it on, I make sure I put one weft on another, very close. So it got to a point I realized the ceiling was long enough, like it's okay. So I started closing the gap at the back, before I finally close with my closure.
자신이 미워서 한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아서.
With the closure, I'm going to fold a piece of weft like to the size of the space I left on top for the closure. And I'm going to fold it all around. I make sure it's very close, like it's very tight. So you have to like take your time and fold it piece by piece. Then I went ahead and opened, look at this, the middle, then flatten it.
숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me but I have to pretend no one cares about me. I'm so lonely.
So basically, I'm done with the third step and I'm heading to the fourth step, which is the trimming of the cutting. So I'm going to go ahead and separate the upper hair from like the side and side and the lower hair. So I'm going to go ahead with the cutting, and for a beginner you have to go ahead and like cut bit by bit because you don't want to ruin your wig, so you got to cut it bit by bit, just like the way I'm doing the video.
아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야.
to put in leave-in conditioner to like moisturize the hair, and to keep it smooth. And yeah, and now I'm going to blow dry it, and that's it. So yeah, if you notice, you realize I didn't like touch the side and side ear, the hair. I didn't like trim it, and the back neck. One thing about Pixie is when you're fixing for someone, you don't have to like trim the ear and the back neck, because we all have different hair shape, and when you trim it, it might be shorter or too long for your client, and so you have to like do it on your client's hair. So that's why I place it on my head to trim it perfectly to the ear, the side and side ear perfectly. And with the back, I'm still not done because the hair is not mine, it's for someone, so I have to like leave the back. And now I know where the ear will be, so I'm going to go ahead and trim off any unwanted hair, excess hair off, and yeah. I'm almost done, and what I'm doing now is trimming all the flyaway hair. When you fix ceiling, you normally get a lot of flyaway hair, and you gotta like trim it off to make your wig neat. Oh my god, and I know I've got the most horrible mannequin head ever, but that's the only thing mannequin head I've got at the workshop, so like I had no choice, so sorry for that. Yeah, so that's a simple tutorial for Pixie haircut. Please, if you like this video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.